I'm doing a review on a dehumidifier because where I live's got stupid wooden frame double glazing, so obviously the wood is beginning to rot, and the double glazing glass has shot, so it's practically useless, resulting in a room with a humidity of around about 90%. Now, I don't understand humidity really. I mean, technically, I thought, does that mean I'm actually living in a swimming pool? I don't know. But I do know it should be around 40% in the winter to stop condensation. But I think all four sides of the glass in the double glazing's got condensation on. It was £99.99 on Amazon, which was an amazing price because the only thing close to that price in Argos was their own brand stuff. And I much trust Dimplex more than own brand Argos stuff. Let's see what we get inside. Yeah, it's got really good reviews, this one, on Amazon. And it says it's got very simple to use operation buttons, which is good because, not because I'm stupid. Alright, yeah, I am. But I didn't want anything too fancy. I just wanted something to do the job. You know, like on a washing machine, it's got like a gazillion different operations, and you'll only use about 3. Well, I didn't want the same thing for a dehumidifier. It's just suck the water out the air. That's all I wanted. So this is model DXDHC10, and it's a 10-litre dehumidifier. Now, something you've got to be careful about the dehumidifiers is that is how much water it can extract out the air in an hour or something. I think. I've totally forgotten now. Oh, sugar. I did research and everything. But there's a tank in here that is 2 litres, I believe. So you got to be careful when you're buying a dehumidifier of what you're actually buying. It's underneath the polystyrene, we've got the unit itself, which is flipping heck, very heavy, by the way. It's really heavy. There we go. Gosh. And there we go. Very plain looking, which is great. I didn't want anything too fancy. It's got that plastic. It's on casters as well, look, so you can go like whee like that. Anyway, so it's got this plastic on. Look. Don't you just love that? It's got a lovely new plastic smell as well. Right, so inside, there's the plug. I always wonder why they do this. Just like sandwich bag everything in. But it's not just normal sandwich bag wraps. They'll always make it like extra long. There we go. Even the plug is plastic packed for freshness. I'll take off the stupid plug protector before I forget and try ramming it into the wall with that on. There's one thing, people make this big fuss about plastic straws. Just stop making these. I mean, you don't put it on when you're finished. I mean, when you take this out the wall, you don't put it back on. That's the tank to pour the water away. Oh, it smells. I love that smell of that new plastic smell. So I'll put the drawer back in. If tank full. What happened to the word the? You know, why do they always miss out the word the these days? Just write proper sentences. If tank full, indicator lighter is on. When tank is empty. Remove and refit tank to reset the light. Oh, you put the word the in there. So it looks as if it lights up when it's full. What's this? More tape. Just on and off, which is great. And it's got a tank full light, defrost, because what happens is, the way a dehumidifier works is that apparently it's very similar to an air conditioner. And it's got a operation on, so you know it's on. And that's it. And that's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Now let's switch it on. Now it's plugged into the room where it's going to be used. I'm going to turn it on. The humidity is 86% and it's nearly 21 degrees in the room right now. I'm going to see, what is it, 1445? Let's turn it on. Is that loud? It's quietened down a bit now. I was a bit worried when I first turned it on then. I thought, oh, that's loud. But that was just the motor, I think, just doing its thing. Now, there's two functions on this. You can have it on continuous drain, where you pull the drawer open at the back and fix a hose. And you can, like, trail the hose out somewhere, so it's continuously draining, which is good. Or you can have it like this, where the water will just pour into the bucket. I'm going to give it an hour, and we'll see how much it does. Well, this is over an hour later, and now it's just turned to 4 o'clock, and the humidity's come right down. Temperature's gone up a bit. This is quite warm. Oh, well, it was. Yeah, this is like a tinty-winty bit warmer. But we're going to see how much water it's got now. So maybe this 10 litres thing's maybe for rooms absolutely drenched. You know, maybe like if it's like a swimming pool or something. I don't get humidity at all. I mean, if something's that percentage, surely it must be like, I don't know. To help the airflow, I have got the ceiling fan on. Or is it a propeller? Because the room is so humid. Yeah, I was sort of expecting the empty button to be on by now, but oh, that wobbles a bit. Oh, when you turn it off, you've got to leave it for 3 minutes, it says. So now I've got to leave it for 3 minutes. Whilst I'm waiting for these 3 minutes, you know, it keeps making gluggy noises. Do you think it's meant to be actually pronounced Dimplex? Or is it like France with their Bordeaux? And it's meant to be pronounced Dimple. And I've been calling it Dimplex all this time. Bearing in mind I've worked with Comet and Argos and loads of other electrical places. And I've been calling it Dimplex all this time. I mean, it's an Irish company, so I'm pretty sure it's not pronounced Dimple. But what if it is? And I've been an idiot. Oh, well, I've been calling it Dimplex all this time, so I'm going to keep calling it Dimplex. Well, it has actually been 3 minutes, and it's still making gurgling noises. Right, I'm going to turn it around. It's got a filter in it, by the way. And I don't know if at the beginning of the video I actually said it's got a 2 litre tank. It hasn't. This is 1.8, but what's 2 mil? What's 200 mils really? It's just like a drink. Right, so I need to make sure the pan card. So much water it's got. Oh, my finger got wet, so I think it's got a lot in here. How much has it got in? Oh, not as much as what I thought right now. So in that case, I'm going to keep it going. I'm going to probably end the video now and just say that I'll probably do a follow-up video of what actually happens when it gets full. But I'm still quite happy with it. It's doing way more than the other little I had a little tiny dehumidifier thing. It was about that big and that big, and it didn't do very much. In fact, it got that much amount of water, but after about 3 days. So this is much better. I suppose this is part 1. So thanks for watching. Please scratch them in the comment section down below. If you're thinking of getting this, it's nice and quiet. I could quite happily sleep with that going on. It's not that loud at all. I don't know how loud it's coming across on camera, and it depends how sensitive you are to sound, really. I live in London. I'm used to noise, so this doesn't bother me at all. So yeah, scratch and keep an eye out for part 2.